Okay, dear students, in the previous class, we learned about the matter, element, and some chemical formula you learned. And today, in this period, we are discussing about the chemical formula. What is chemical formula and chemical formula of element, and another one point is chemical formula of compound. These 3 points we want to discuss. In the previous class, we know the symbol and formula. Here, for example, here you take chemical formula means what? It is a shortened representation of molecules of a molecules of element and compound. Here molecules, not a atom. For example, here hydrogen. Hydrogen, the symbol of hydrogen, we are writing that only H. It is a symbol. Now here it is an atom, only one atom. Here they use the molecules of element. Molecules means here that is H2. H is the symbol of hydrogen and H2 is the formula of hydrogen. Because in this one molecules of hydrogen, it contains two atoms. It contains two atoms. Therefore, the formula of hydrogen is 2. In this chemical formula, molecules of element or compound. In that compound, how many atoms are present? How many different atoms are present? For example, water. Water is a compound. Chemical formula of the water is H2O. We shall discuss later. The chemical formula means it is a shortened form of representation of molecule of element or compound. That is the chemical formula. Now you take the chemical formula of the element. So many elements you learned. How many elements are there? So far 120 elements are present. Out all the 120 elements, J.J. Berzelius, he gave the symbols. But all this one, formula of the chemical formula of element, here you say hydrogen is an element. Formula of hydrogen is H2. Formula of nitrogen, that is nitrogen. Symbol of nitrogen is N. Formula of nitrogen is N2. Formula of nitrogen is N2. Similarly, hydrogen or oxygen, you take oxygen. What is the meaning of O? Oxygen, one atom of oxygen. And O2, formula of oxygen is O2. Therefore, now we will think about the chemical formula of the element. O means what? One atom of oxygen. One atom of oxygen. Similarly, O2 means here only one molecules of oxygen. O2 means one molecules of oxygen. One molecules of oxygen. That means what is the difference to the O and O2? O is the one atom of oxygen and O2 is one molecules of oxygen. Similarly, 2O. 2O means two atom of oxygen. And here 2O2, two molecules of oxygen. Two molecules of oxygen. Here O means one atom of oxygen. O2 means one molecules of oxygen. 2O means two atom of oxygen. 2O2, 2 molecules of oxygen. That means here chemical formulas, these are all elements. For example, take the O3. O3 means here 1 molecules of ozone. One molecules of ozone. O3 means 1 molecules of ozone. This is the chemical formula of the element. First formula means how many atoms are present in that you want to find. Only one atom. Here 1 molecules of oxygen and here 2 atoms of oxygen. Here 2 molecules of oxygen, only 1 molecules of ozone. Like this, the chemical formula of the element. Next one, you take chemical formula of compound. We know that compound means chemical combination of 2 or more elements is known as compound. Here, chemical combination. For example, you take water. Water is a compound because here hydrogen and oxygen, 2 elements combine together to form a water. Hydrogen, how many atoms of hydrogen are present? 2 atoms of hydrogen is present. Only 1 atom of oxygen is present. Hydrogen plus oxygen combine together to form a compound. Here, chemical formula of a compound means the molecular formula, not a atomic formula. It is molecular formula of a compound is actual number of atoms. It is very important. Actual number of atoms. Here also actual number of atoms. How many atoms are present in 1 molecules of water? Here 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. Therefore, 3 atoms are present in 1 molecules of water. Similarly, you take another one, ammonium, NH3. NH3 means here molecular formula of ammonia is NH3. In this ammonia, 2 types of elements are present. One is the nitrogen and other one is hydrogen. 1 atom of nitrogen and 3 atom of hydrogen is present. We know in the previous class atomicity, how many atoms are present in a single molecule. 1 molecule is known as atomicity. In the previous class we learned that is monoatomic molecules, diatomic molecules, triatomic molecules, like that. Here 1 molecule of ammonia, how many atoms are present? 3 plus 1, 4 atoms are present. For example, you take carbon dioxide. In this carbon dioxide, how many elements are there? One is the carbon and another one is oxygen. These 2 elements are present. 2 elements combined together chemically in a proper ratio is known as compound. Here 2 elements in the carbon, how many atoms? 1 atom. And oxygen 2 atoms. Oxygen is 2 atoms because molecular formula of a compound is actual number of atoms. Atoms in different elements present in the molecules. Different elements, 2 different elements. Here also 2 different elements present in the molecule. Present in the molecules of a compound is known as chemical formula of a compound. You take another one example. H2SO4, sulfuric acid. In this H2SO4, it is 1 molecules of sulfuric acid, only 1 molecules of sulfuric acid. 2 atom of hydrogen, 1 atom of sulfur and 4 atom of oxygen. It is a 1 molecules of sulfur, if you want to multiply, it is a 2 molecules of sulfur, sulfuric acid. 2 molecules of sulfuric acid. This is the chemical formula of compound. Now let us will learn some important chemical formula. In that, I will write on the board important chemical formula, common compound. Some important common compound. First one, you take carbon monoxide. What is the formula of carbon monoxide? That is CO. That is here two elements are present. One is carbon and other one is oxygen. Second one is carbon dioxide. That is, what is the chemical formula of carbon dioxide? CO2. And sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is SO2. The chemical formula, carbon tetrachloride. Fourth one is carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride CCl4. Chemical formula of carbon tetrachloride. Next one is phosphorus pentoxide. Phosphorus pentoxide P2O5. P2O5. This is the formula of phosphorus pentoxide. Ammonia. The sixth one is ammonia. NH3. NH3 is the formula. Now hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid, before HCl. And the last one you take, that is nitric acid. HNO3. All these are some common chemical formula. Okay, dear students, today we are discussing about the only 3 points, that is chemical formula. What is chemical formula mean? Shorthand representation of molecules of element or compound is known as chemical formula. And chemical formula of the element. Chemical formula of the element is the formula that actual number of atoms. How many number of atoms are present? Actual number of atoms present in one molecules of element. One molecules of element. Example I given, hydrogen H2. That means 2 atoms are present in that. The chemical formula of compound, that is molecular formula of compound, is here also actual number of atoms are present. How many atoms are present in one molecules of a compound? In the different elements present in molecules of the compound. These are the 3 definition of chemical formula. Chemical formula of the element, chemical formula of compound, and some common compound they are given. In the next classes, we shall discuss in the another one topic. Okay, thank you.